Good afternoon, students. In the last lecture, we had completed with exercise 3.2. Now, in exercise 3.2, the second sum and the ninth sum were deliberately written wrong by me, and I was waiting that how many of you will point out that. Only 2 students have pointed out the mistakes. Others, I think they have just blindly copied. So again, go back and check and let me know what are the mistakes in the second sum and the ninth sum. Okay. Today we will move forward to exercise 3.3. Now we have seen the formula to calculate the nth term of a series. For example, I am giving you an AP 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now I want to calculate the sum of the first 3 terms, sum of the first 2 terms. Now we write S1. S1 means sum of the first term. The sum of the first term is the first term itself, that is equal to A, or you can say equal to T1, that is equal to 2. If I want to find S2, it means it is T1 plus T2, that is equal to 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. And so on you can find out. But suppose you want to find, say, S of 20, S of 30. So calculating or adding manually, it is very tedious job. So we have got a particular formula. Now suppose I will just take for S4. So S4 will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Sum of the first 4 terms. So it is 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Now I will calculate the same with the help of a formula. Let us first see what is the formula. The formula is given as Sn equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 t. Okay. Now in this AP, you know A is 2 and D is also 2. And I want to find the sum of the first 4 terms. So S4 will be equal to, n is 4 because first 4 terms. So wherever n put 4, 2 into A is 2, the first term. N minus 1, n is 4. So 4 minus 1 into D, D is also 2. So I get S4 is equal to, now 4 divided by 2 is 2 into bracket 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 4 plus 6. That is equal to 2 into 10 and that is equal to 20. So here also 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Okay. So this verifies the formula. So this formula is useful. Suppose when I say, you know, orally you did for 4. If I say you to find S of, say, 35, first 35 terms. Very simple. Now wherever n put 35, A will be 2, D will be 2. Calculate and get the answer. So this is your formula for finding the first n terms, sum of the first n terms. Now suppose you have been given a series like this, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and the last number is 222. Now iske aage koi number nahi hai, the series is only so much, and now you are told to add all the terms. So what I can do is, if I can go by that, now I don't know which term it is, I don't know the n for this. So what you can do is Sn will be equal to, now I know the last term over here. Let me take a more simple example. Wait. Say the last term over here is 20. Okay. Now this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number. Okay. And we know that this is the, say, 20 will be which number? It will be the, I think, 10th number. 5 numbers is there in this. 5 plus 5, 10. So this is the 10th number. Okay. This is the 10th term. So you have to add the first 10 terms and you know the 10th term. Then directly I can write Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l, where l means the last term and a means the first term. Means if you are told to add the first 20 terms and you know the 20th term, if you are told to add the first 30 terms and you know the 30th term, then this method you can use. For here, suppose I know that I want to add the first 10 terms and I know that the 10th term is 20. So S of 10, because 10 terms I have to add, 10 upon 2. First number is 2. Last number is, that is the 10th term is 20. That is equal to 5 into 22. That is equal to 110. Okay. So these are the two ways you can find the sum. I will just have a quick recap. Sum of first n numbers, or I'd rather we will say first n terms. Okay. So first formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, and second formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l, where l is the last term. L means the last term which you are going to find. Suppose first 30 terms बोला है तो T30. T30 means the 30th term. Don't be confused between Tn and Sn. Tn is for finding the nth term. Sn is for finding the sum of the first n terms. Okay, there is a difference between S and T. Clear? So I'll just take a screenshot so that you can copy it down in your notebook. Now we will solve the first sum of your exercise 3.3. The first sum is fill in the blanks, which you can easily do. Just fill up the data. Second sum, they have told you to find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. First of all, what is the AP? Now the AP will be, now natural numbers begin from 1, but they have told even natural number. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And you have to, now here A is what? 2. D is what? 2. And what you have to find? S of 123. Okay. So this is your question. The given and the things that you have to find. So first we will write the formula and substitute. Now the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus 1 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S of 123 is equal to 123 upon 2, 2 into 2, A is 2 plus n is 123 minus 1 into 2. Okay. So that is equal to, now see 123 upon 2, it is, if you divide by 2, it will come in points, so don't divide. Only if there is an even number, divide it over here and finish it. If it is not an even number, never divide it, leave it like this. Maybe in the bracket you get an even number and it will be cancelled. 2 2s is 4 plus, now this is 123 minus 1, so it is 122 multiplied by 2. Now next step, 123 upon 2, 4 plus, this is 244. So that is equal to 123 upon 2 multiplied by 248. Now this will get cut. 2 ones are and 124. So your answer is going to be, that is equal to 123 multiplied by 124. So you have to find this answer. What is your answer? Your final answer is going to be multiplication of 123 into 124. Multiply it, whatever you get, that is your final answer. Then write down in words that therefore the sum of first 123 even natural number is. Okay? Clear? This is your answer. 123 into 124. Solve this.